So this is the trail system that our son and our family built this year. Previously our woods looked like this, and now we can use it. We've got about 5 acres that we've been doing this to, so we'll show you some more. And we did it mostly with a mower, weed whip, and some hedge trimmers. Cut trail with the mower I did a few weeks ago, midsummer. So it's kind of rough at first, but that way the kids can come through without all the prickers getting them and everything. So this is the front trails, and then we're going to take you out to the back. You guys glad we built the trails?
Not really. I built half of them. Yeah.
We'll go show the bike trails in a minute.
So how I made the tight trails just for bikes was I picked areas that didn't have too many down trees, and I got gloves and I ripped through the area we wanted to go, and then we biked to pack it down.
They made these just clearing it out by hand. We're able to use our woods. Before it was just kind of sitting here unused and no fun. So